Time for another 90-second movie review. Let's talk about Den of Thieves 2, Pantera. We're getting terrible at naming movies. This stars Gerard Butler and O'Shea Jackson Jr. This is a sequel to the original, obviously, but this time we're in France for some reason. I thought they would learn from that first movie and give us some more action, but here we get way less, and the stuff we do get is so boring with no weight, and it's just over in the blink of an eye. Ice Cube Jr. is doing a horrible French accent throughout, and he does not work in this movie. Gerard Butler is stripped of tons of screen time, and when he was the best and most complex thing about the original. They have more chemistry in their Instagram PR than we do here. There's 1,000 location changes, and I feel like the only reason they did that was to brag that they went to these different locations. We spend more time with the characters riding scooters and making fun of French food than we do doing anything cool with heist-related things. There is no emotion or excitement on screen. It feels like I was staring at a blank wall for 2.5 hours. Unlike Zack Snyder, they start here with the extended cut. Everything made to screen, there is going to be no cuts, there's going to be no deleted scenes, because a lot of it's just actors kind of doing this like they were just still rolling in between shots. Character motivations were like kind of explained, but then ignored towards the end of the movie, and we don't really know how we got to certain points. There is no real conflict, just dozens of soulless European dudes with no emotion. Dialogue was so bad and just overly explained, and just made up things were being said by characters we hadn't seen yet. And then the big heist at the end was just way too easy. I was unimpressed with that, and then almost every other aspect of the movie. It's 2.5 hours long and feels like it was 2 hours longer. I'm going to give it a 1.6 out of 5, and we'll see you next time, hopefully at a better movie.